Welcome to school too.
I got to smoke.
Who they are? There is a serious meeting. There is a serious meeting.
Oh, you do first.
I want you to move your chair. I want to see the The reason why I called this meeting is because of two things. First, I've changed the rules of this place.
What is the meaning of that?
Everybody will not use the bedroom the same time. So I've now decided that in this couple, Carol will be the first person to use toilet, will be the first person to use bedroom, and also be the first person to fetch water.
It is a lie.
Yes. After she threw, Muhammad will follow to use. Then Ogbefi will not use it.
It's a lie.
No,
it's a lie.
So the second thing that I called this meeting for, everybody have TV and radio. Even Muhammad, you get that for radio. That means you get that for news. Everybody they know that for news. Government have removed subsidy.
Yes.
So me myself, I want to remove subsidy from my house. Government.
You like landlord.
Your
house is it using petrol? Is your house using fuel?
Let me tell you. Does rice use fuel? Does oil use fuel?
Yes, they use transportation. Is your house to
it's like you don't know. I'm also using transportation too because I'm the landlord.
How you waiting at the subsidy, Oga?
So from now on, my house rent is no more 85,000 naira. My house rent is 205,000.
You don't have to pay.
It does not affect you at all.
You know, affect the car.
No, your father have house at all.
Landlord, I should collect the
Your mommy.
I should collect the money from you.
Hey, tell your mommy that I'm coming.
She say I either collect the money or you come with me.
Oh, no worry, I'm coming. Tell your mommy I'm coming.
Yes. Go and give it the money. So you said you go.
No, you are only 2 years.
Welcome to school too.
Waiting with this.
What thing they do?
What thing I do? I want pressure for water make I go back.
You know get eyes.
Which eye?
You are who reach first.
Oh yeah. Water make I go back.
Come here.
I don't look for.
Don't fix. What do you
I want
want?
you for waiting.
International business.
Waiting.
Who be you?
What did they happen here? Okay, pocket a bit that qua. Okay, I didn't hear
Mohammed, you know say that woman, what?
Why me? I never want you to put that.
No. Mohammed, you know say anytime now reach here, na Carol must first fetch. Mohammed, you know say this one na my Carol.
Now because of this,
I know they play with that one. Okay, from
Welcome to school too.
don't worry, I don't go back.
You not do anything.
I was put on for my I don't go do anything.
School too.